This LANPAN 8-port SAS HBA card is built around the proven LSI SAS 2008 controller, giving home lab and small server builders a reliable foundation for serious storage work. It ships pre-configured in IT mode, which means it presents drives directly to the operating system and is ideal for ZFS, TrueNAS, unRAID, and similar software-defined storage setups. The card uses a PCI Express 2.0 by 8 interface, providing ample bandwidth for multiple hard drives or solid-state drives running at up to 6 gigabits per second per port. With 2 internal mini SAS SFF-8087 connectors and included breakout cables, it can directly attach up to 8 SATA drives without needing extra adapters. Support for SAS expanders allows this controller to scale beyond the initial 8 drives, making it a strong choice for growing network-attached storage systems and large JBOD arrays. The included cabling, broad operating system compatibility, and widely supported LSI firmware make installation straightforward even for do-it-yourself builders who are not storage experts.